Robin.
Nitong funeral cortege dahil
So here we are at the Skyway with my son.
Oh, say hi, Robin. Hi here on the camera. Say hi.
And you can see that the presidential helicopter is there. Retaining the funeral cortege of Secretary President Pedro. And we are now en route to Villamor Air Base.
At dito sa kabilang taon, bagamat tuloy-tuloy yung pagdaloy ng mga sasakyan, ay maging sila ay bumabagal yung takbo at binubuksan yung bintana ng sasakyan, kumakaway kung saan lulan yung sa pinakakaro, kung saan lulan yung yumaong kaliming. Nasa ibabang bahagi na ng Skyway.
So we're proceeding.
Pinakauluhan